Hello. First of all, I want to thank you, the Fukuoka Asian Art Museum, to invite me here, and their help and support that they gave me to make this work and enjoy my stay and experience something new, which I've never done before. For example, giving workshops and radio interviews, which I was very nervous about, but it was an interesting experience for me. During my stay here in Fukuoka Museum, also I kind of expanded my research and interest about the hair formation. That is like my earlier work in which I was exploring hair formation. So I expanded this research in Fukuoka and researching more about the geishas and traditional Japanese hairstyle. Why I'm interested, it's a very difficult question to answer because it's like, you like some kind of fruit and then you really are tasting the fruit and then, after a while you understand why you like it. For me, I like it, but I don't know what interests me and I want to resolve this interest. Like I like to make and explore a different material. Like I myself want to know what is interesting about why I get fascinated about it. So it's the process I'm going through, exploration. So I'm in the quest of finding what interests me, why it interests me. So I'm trying to use different kind of materials and to find why it interests me. So I like most of the work I transform found objects into certain idea what I'm thinking. At this point, the idea was to transform these mobs into some kind of a character and yeah. Yes. I think for me, throughout in my work, I'm trying to understand, particularly female figure. Also because I think I am a female, that's why I'm more concerned about it. But different kind of connotations attached to the figure. So throughout in my work, I'm exploring the female figure and her position in the society, even in media, advertisement, as a housewife, as a working woman, all kind of these things I'm thinking about it. So maybe this idea of mob came from, back home also because we have a lot of this idea of having maids. Or almost every house have maids and they come and clean their houses, and we have a tradition of housewives. They are working women, but it's like in a daily life it's more like a woman's duty. So yeah, I think it's coming from there. Mob is like my early experience when I was cleaning my house. It is coming from there. And I used to clean and put the mop upside down to let it dry. And it always reminds me as the mop hair as like head of someone, and it's like it looked like to me like a figure. And I wanted to transform that idea further.